What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. So in this particular video, we're just going to get right into it. I actually been having this idea for quite some time now, maybe a little over a year, and I kind of want to incorporate it in a long form format to see how it turns out. So yeah, here we are. So for this particular video, as you can tell by the title, I kind of want to do something, you know, that is a part of the EDC world. However, it's more like a quick overview of what you're carrying. So that's what this is, and this is how this style of video will be. So let me know what you guys think. All right, so this is something I'm testing out to see if you just kind of want to get a quick idea of what, you know, I'm carrying. This is the way to do it. So I kind of want to share just a quick overview of my EDC, or what's also known in this world is kind of like a pocket dump, probably more so of a bag dump or what's in my bag type of style. But I'm just going to do a quick overview of the items that I carry in my pocket and inside my crossbody bag. So just kind of like a high level overview of those items. As you can see here, I just got a few of them already laid out, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first item here we're going to get into is probably going to be a little obvious that I'm going to have with me, but it's going to be my keys. So of course I'm going to keep my keys on me, and this is just one of the quick items that I want to include. So the next item I'm going to talk about is, we're going to get the easy items out the way, and that's lotion and lip balm. So for me personally, these are essential to my EDC, and I just have to have them with me. So with me, wash my hands quite a bit. My hands tend to get a little bit drier, especially during the winter. So I'm keeping the lotion on me for definitely during the winter time. And then of course the lip balm is absolutely a must. So here's my lip balm of choice right now, and it has just been really nice to use. So I'm not super like detailed with the lip balms and what's all out there, but I know I like what I like, and this has been a game changer for me, and just personally the difference I've noticed with my lips and this quality of lip balm. But of course there are thousands of other ones out there. I have used a couple of other ones, and there have been other ones that have just been okay for the time being, but this is a part of my current EDC and the flavor. So I'm looking to definitely continue this particular brand along with testing out other of their flavors, if you will. So these two items here are actually in my pocket. Next, let's go ahead and talk about my wallet. This is one of the wallets that I carry, and I love Coach. So it is more of a lifestyle item, and depending on the crossbody bag that I'm carrying, I try to match my wallet with that. So I'm actually going to be carrying today my brown crossbody sling bag, also made by Coach, with the brown wallet. Just a little bit of a matchy thing for me. So however, it looks exactly the same like this one, just in a different color. So yeah, this is just an idea of what my wallet will look like, and this one's actually going in my crossbody bag, and then obviously it can go in my pocket, but mostly I carry it in my bag, just in a safe compartment. All right, and then last and certainly not least, I am going to be carrying with me is my Sony FX30 camera. So this has been a new addition to my setup as well as my camera selection. So I've really been enjoying carrying this around. So I carried this camera out with me for the first time last weekend, and it was really cool. I didn't think I would feel as discreet as I did. I don't know what about it. It's hard to describe like the feeling of feeling more discreet versus using my Fuji cameras, but this one just felt more comfortable to, you know, have out and use. So I carried this out, and then the lens that I carried in my pocket, actually, like this is a pocketable lens, as you can tell, is the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. So I carried this lens in my pocket while I actually have the 18 to 50 millimeter Sigma lens. So that lens is f2.8. So I actually had that mounted to the camera body, and it fit very well into my crossbody bag. Again, I'm going to do that same carry style with this camera, and yeah, it is absolutely part of my EDC now. So here you are. All right, so that's going to be it. Again, you guys, this is just a quick overview of what is in my pocket slash pocket dump slash bag dump. So you guys can get a quick overview of what I'm carrying today. I'm getting ready to head out, and yeah, this is what's going to be with me. So if you guys like this type of video, something a little quick, little light work, you feel me, let me know in the comments. Also let me know which part of your EDC. I do plan to do a more in-depth detailed EDC video for you guys, so haven't done one of those in a while, so definitely looking to get back into those types of videos of sharing my EDC with you. So So I hope you guys give the video a thumbs up. You know, all the YouTube things with subscribing, and you know, kind of maybe share this video with someone else that's maybe interested in it. But with all that being said, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Peace.